Hey folks, today I want to ask ChatGPT to compare trading and investing using really simple terms such as monkeys and bananas. So let's ask him. Can you compare investing and trading using simple terms such as monkeys and bananas? Monkeys are traders and bananas are assets that are bought or sold.
Let's use our friendly monkeys and bananas analogy. Monkeys, traders. Monkeys are quick and agile. They swing from tree to tree, grabbing bananas as they go. Traders are like these monkeys. They buy and sell assets, bananas, frequently, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. Monkeys might snatch a banana and move on swiftly, just like traders who make rapid transactions. Bananas, assets. Bananas represent the assets being traded. These could be stocks, currencies, or commodities. Some bananas, assets, are ripe and sweet, profitable, while others might be overripe or unripe, risky. Now, let's introduce the wise gorillas. Gorillas are patient and deliberate. They carefully select a tree, climb it, and enjoy the bananas over time. Investors are like these gorillas. Gorillas understand that some bananas may take time to ripen fully, but can provide sustained nourishment. In summary, traders, monkeys quick, agile, and focused on short-term gains. Investors, wise gorillas patient, deliberate, and focused on long-term growth. Remember, both approaches have their place. It depends on your risk tolerance and investment goals.
Yeah, as you can see, it was really nice. I didn't ask it to add gorillas, but here we are. So if you are investor like me and prefer just to wait patiently until your asset is growing over time and then you are selling in a year or two, yeah, so we are gorillas. Yeah, that was fun and see you next time. Ciao.